I love to see when I'm in the streets, people walk up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it.
I come through the hood,
stunting in my yellow lamb.
Top down, said son of Sam, bumping. Thinking the East ain't enough, it's time to expand. Plant my feet down. What's up, baby? I see you peeking. And buy me a crib. When I say shoot. What's up, buddy? I see you. You wiggling, baby. You wiggling, baby. Me, I'll hustle. My niggas with G-Pex. So I'm in a position of power. Where I'm from, you learn to blend in or get touched. I can't blend in. I'm better blending out. All these damn commercials. I gotta get YouTube Premium. Shout out to all the people who got YouTube Premium. Pick your lane, brother. I don't know what lane you in. But I'm gonna get the hell up out of there. Get out your way. What's up? I see y'all guys. Turn your signal lights off and then turn them on as you're coming. Go ahead, bro. Yee! On your... Slow fly. What's up, brother? In, baby. Thought he was pointing at something to trick me. Ride the music. Go ride the music. Go ahead up out of there, brother. I see you. Go ahead on past, brother. Nobody else don't want to respect you. I will. Woo. I didn't know whether that was a man or a woman. Woo. Don't mind if I do take this spot right here, brother. What you doing back here? I see you. Trying to creep up and get another look. He said, damn, that's the top G. Damn, that's the top G. He said somebody yelled out, woo-hoo-hoo. I'm finna take her back to the... Making me on it. push that thing back into race mode so I can get that engine braking. I see you, brother. Nice P-coat. All right. All right. Dropping shit all over the place. Concrete truck. Damn cement truck. Man, they remaking the shit out of this building. Man, look at that. Shout out to everybody out here watching me, wherever you're from in the world. Thank you. I see you peeping, baby. I see you, brother. Coming to get a closer look. He said, I gotta get a closer look at him. Get with me. Yeah. I see you, man. I see you, girls. I see you, honeys. Oh, God. All right. What's going on, guys? All right. All right. It's you, it's all for you. What's up, buddy? All right, my man. All right. Thanks out, man, for you. Watch out now, baby. You open the door and I almost got the man killed. Yeah, I got it all on camera, too. Go ahead, boo. Flip it. I see you double peek. Boarding that. I see you peeking, baby. All right. Go ahead, guys. Most beautiful sight right here, baby. I see you, brother. I see you out here with a big cigar smoking. With the gar smoke. Shout out to you, bro. Berlin gang out here. Short sleeve and all, too. I think he had on short sleeves. Ah, man. Feels so good to be out here in the middle of the winter. Hello. Middle of the winter. Still out here riding. Thank goodness for a good winter this year. It ain't that cold. It's cold, but it ain't that cold. What's going on, brother? I see you, my man. I see y'all out here. What y'all recording? Well, I'm recording. Out here on my shift. Yeah. Baptizer. What's up, little buddy? I see you. Willie time. Wells Fargo, where I'm banking. I see you, baby. Alright, I see you. Your Mo M's. Now she acting like she Kim. I see a little, look at hot stepper. A little hot stepper, baby.